What's up guys, Random Razor here with another tech video for you guys today. And today we're checking out the all new Presidio metallic case from Speck. So of course without further ado, let's slice this open, slap it on the iPhone, and give you guys my quick in-depth review. I've reviewed a number of different Presidio cases over the past year, and another one that Speck has introduced recently is their metallic series. It's designed for the iPhone 8 and 8 Plus, but is also backwards compatible with the iPhone 7 and 7 Plus. The Presidio metallic case comes in your traditional Speck packaging, very easy to open, and the first and only thing that we get is the case itself here. And this particular color here is a space gray, but it is also available in a variety of other metallic colors as well. So it's kind of obvious why I chose the space gray model here. It matches perfectly with the black iPhone. And it's a very simple case to pop in. It's a snap-on style case. Go button side first, and you're all set to go. The Presidio metallic case is pretty much identical to the original Presidio case. The biggest difference, of course, is that they now introduce metallic colors on the back. Take a quick overview of this case. You have an excellent amount of bezel protection where the TPU material wraps around the entire border of the phone. On the sides here, you have covers for your power button, volume rockers, and they're very easy to press with a nice tactile feedback, and a cutout for the vibrate and ringer switch. On the bottom of the case here, you have 3 individual cutouts for your stereo speakers, mic, and lightning port. And lastly, on the back side of the case here, we do have a large cutout for your camera, flash, and secondary microphone, the Speck logo engraved on the top corner here. And the most highlighted feature is the metallic space gray back. In regards to the finish, it's kind of like a mix between a matte finish where it looks like a matte finish, but it also feels like a glossy finish at the same time. So it's kind of like a cross between a slight glossy look with a matte finish. Overall guys, the first impressions on the Speck Presidio metallic series for the iPhone 8 and 8 Plus as well as the 7 and 7 Plus is pretty positive. I'm a big fan of this hybrid style design as it's protective, gives you 10 feet of drop protection according to Speck here, and all this in a slim form factor. This 10 feet of drop protection I mentioned is all thanks to the Impactium material that wraps around the entire back and sides of your phone. In regards to the metallic series, really digging the look of this space gray as it matches really nicely with my black iPhone as well as my other space gray Apple devices such as my MacBook Pro and iPad. Compared to the original Presidio case, I definitely am digging the metallic colors a little bit more as they give the case a much more premium look to it. In terms of any cons or things I don't like about this case, I will say this slick, glossy, matte finish on the back here is quite slippery in the hand. That being said, because the buttons here are rubberized, you do get a bit of grip when you're holding it on the sides. In conclusion guys, if you're looking for a color matching, slim protective case for your brand new iPhone 8 or 8 Plus, you definitely can't go wrong with the Speck Presidio metallic case. Anyways, thanks for watching guys, hope you all enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or comments about this case, ask me in the comment section there down below. Hit that like button as always helps me out, and I'll see you all in the next video.